pretty big. Come on.
There must be a lot of books here. Which one should I check out first?
It's up to you. You can choose any book you want. Come on.
Can we check out today?
I'm not sure. I think about 5. Come on, let's go.
Hugo, what does that sign say?
Silence.
But Hugo, I only asked what the sign says.
No, that's what it says. S-I-L-E-N-C-E spells silence. See? Oh, come on.
Oh, does that mean we aren't allowed to talk at all?
Shh.
But
Shh.
all I said was...
Silence, please.
Okay, we'll be quiet. Okay, now listen, Kim. I'm just gonna go over there and look for some books, okay?
More books on cars and machines?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a new machine one day.
Excuse me, Mr. Librarian. I'd like to borrow these books, please.
Sorry, you can only borrow 5 books.
I don't want 5. I need to read all these.
I said 5, and that's the rule.
Rules. But I want to borrow all these books. Please. Shh. Please. All of them. Maybe I should explain better. I wanted to, and I like to, you get the chop and chop the books, all of them, and I like to read, and can you please hurry up and get the books? Well, maybe you like to stamp this one first, and then you can stamp this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and... And this way, please. This way, please. This way, please. This way, please. Thank you very much. And to you. Where was I? Yes. This one, this one, this one, this one. I know it's more than 5. I don't really care. Silence yourself! Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey, look! He left that whistle!
Oh, we better give it back to him. He wouldn't want to lose something like that.
We missed him.
Yes, but we can take the stairs and catch him that way. Come on.
I can't see him. Do you see him?
No. Do you think we should go back?
Oh, there he goes.
Let's go. wish we could, but I don't know where we are.
Look at my dress!
Look at my pizza! Why weren't you looking where you were going?
Look at her dress. Our mom's gonna kill us.
No.
She can't go home like that.
Never mind her dress, Sonny. What about this? What am I going to tell my boss?
Who cares about your boss?
What am I going to tell Debbie, for that matter? You really should have been watching where you were going, Will.
Me? Why
Yeah,
not
you should have been watching.
Haven't I seen you somewhere before? You look very familiar.
Yes. You left this whistle at the library. I've come to give it back.
Who cares about the whistle? Who's going to pay for the pizza?
It's the whistle. It's the silent whistle.
What whistle?
I need this.
What about my pizza? Kid, who's going to pay for this, huh?
What happened to you?
Look at my dress! I can't go home like this!
Attention.
Hugo!
Yes?
Where are we?
I don't know. Are we lost?
I mean, are you going to pay for this?
Hey, be off with you.
What?
I'll call the police.
You can't talk to me like that. I'll call the police.
You won't be calling anyone. Come on, kids, let's go. Where are we? You see.
Aren't they lovely? What are they?
What are they? They're the sounds of the alphabet.
The sounds? You mean the sounds of the letters?
Yes.
But why are they here?
Why are they here? Well, because I'm Professor Sound, and I'm in charge of all the letter sounds.
In charge?
Yeah, I collect all the sounds of the letters and store them so they don't get mixed up.
You mean you actually look after all of the letters in the alphabet?
Yeah, I mean, I look after the sounds of the letters. You see, each letter has a special sound. You must get the sound right and keep it right. That's my job, to keep the sounds right. So you can combine the sounds to make words, sentences, and songs.
And what happens if you get them wrong?
It means you get the wrong sounds. It means no words. It means no sentences. And it means no songs.
Well, children, I'm the word turtle. Guess what I do? I'm Professor Sound's assistant in his sound workshop. By the way, do you remember who Professor Sound is? What does he do? Yes, he's in charge of the sounds of the letters. Do you know that each letter of the alphabet has a special sound? Let's hear a song about the sound of the letter L. Hope you like the song and sing along with it. Yeah.
L.
We like to lick lollipops. Lovely colored lollipops. I like yellow lollipops. You like red lollipops. Lovely
Flavored lollipops. Yeah. We like to lick lollipops. Yes, we do. Lovely colored lollipops. I like yellow lollipops. You like red lollipops. Lovely flavored lollipops.
Oh, yeah, man. Don't eat my lollipop, man.
We like to lick lollipops. Yes, we do. Lovely colored lollipops. I like yellow lollipops. You like red lollipops. Lovely flavored lollipops.
Hey, stop eating my lollipops, man. Oh, what are you talking about, man? I'm just eating my lollipops. Ladies and gentlemen, this song was brought to you by the sound
L. Like. Lick. Lollipops. Lovely.
Hello, children. Do you like the song? Now you have learned the sound of the letter L. Where do you think Professor Sound will take Hugo and Kim to? What adventure will they have with Professor Sound? Watch part 2 of The Silent Whistle and you'll find out more about it. I'll see you there too, huh? Bye! Yeah.